you get confused by all the different colour groups? Do you sometimes find it difficult to get started with your artwork because of lack of colour confidence? In this video, I will walk through the key colour theory concepts and explain colour schemes and how they work together, so you will be confident with your colour choices. First, we will start with the primary colours. They are mixed together to create all other colours. They are red, yellow, and blue. Next are the secondary colours. They are orange, purple, and green. They are created by mixing two primaries together. Red and yellow make orange, blue and red make purple, and yellow and blue make green. Now the tertiary colours: yellow-orange, red-orange, red-purple, blue-purple, blue-green, yellow-green. These are created by mixing one primary and one second colour together. Yellow and orange make yellow-orange, red and orange make red-orange, red and purple make red-purple, blue and purple make blue-purple, blue and green make blue-green, yellow and green make yellow-green. Colour theory terms. There are several different colour theory terms. Here are some of the most common ones: hue, saturation, value, shade, tint, and tone. Colour theory terms: hue, the name or variety of a colour. Here are a variety of hues or colours. Saturation is the term for the brilliance or intensity of a colour. It goes from high saturation to desaturation, where it has the addition of white. Value, the lightness and darkness of a colour from light to mid-tone to dark. Shade, a mixture of colour with black, going from light to dark. Tint, a mixture of colour with white, going from dark to light. Tone, a mixture of colour with grey. Colour temperatures. The colour wheel can be divided into warm and cool colours. Warm colours: yellows, oranges and reds, and cool colours: greens, purples and blues. In colour theory, there are several colour schemes. Here are some of the most common ones: complementary colours, triadic, split complementary, monochromatic, and analagous. Complementary colours. This colour scheme takes advantage of opposite colours on the colour wheel, creating a dynamic and intense scheme. Triadic colours. The triadic is the safest of the colour schemes, using three perfectly balanced colours joined by an equilateral triangle on the colour wheel. Split complementary colours are a base colour and two colours adjacent to the complementary. Monochromatic schemes, using one colour and adding white, grey or black to create tints, tones and shades of the same colour, as the examples below. Analogous colours. Groups of 3 colours next to each other on the colour wheel that complement each other. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you would like to explore the theme further, please don't forget to check out the Colour Theory playlist and the Art Basics playlist, where you will be able to look at the theme further. If you have suggestions for future content, don't forget to leave them in the comments below the description. And finally, if you've enjoyed today's tutorial and you would like to see more content in the future, don't forget to like and subscribe.